Hello everybody, it's me, Ben Gray. I do apologize for not making any videos since my last video. But I've got two trap masters. This guy here is Gusto of the wind element. And he's got this big Traptanium boomerang around his right hand. And if that's not enough, he can inhale air and stuff like that. And I'm putting way too much logic in this. But that's pretty much what else left I have to say to this guy. So I'll show you another trap master that I've got. This guy here is Bushwhack of the life element. He's got this big Traptanium axe. So okay. And as you can tell, he's a tree elf. And if that's not enough, his catchphrase is axe to the max. Yeah. And he's very wacky looking, no pun intended, because he's not wearing any shoes or something like that. Well, you get the idea. And that's all I've got to show you. So I'm Ben James Gray signing off. Thank you for watching. You have a great time and take care.